Woodworking is all about precision, and when it comes to precision, few names are as trusted as Woodpeckers. They're famous for their rock-solid, American-made tools, but they keep pushing the envelope with new designs. Today, we're looking at 10 new and essential Woodpeckers tools that tackle everything from table saw safety to stair building. We'll talk about what makes them special, and I'll even share some real-world feedback from other woodworkers who put these tools to the test. Number 1. Woodpeckers Indexible Thin Rip Guide. Ripping thin strips on a table saw is one of the most nerve-wracking tasks in any workshop. The Woodpeckers Indexible Thin Rip Guide takes that danger and turns it into a repeatable, almost boringly precise operation. This jig rides in your miter slot and uses an ingenious interlocking rack system. Instead of guessing or nudging your fence, you simply click it over in 1/32 inch increments. Every strip is identical, every single time. The truly brilliant part? It delivers your finished piece on the open side of the blade, not trapped between the fence and the blade, eliminating kickback risk entirely. Whether you need strips as thin as 1/32 of an inch or up to 1.5 inches, this tool makes dangerous cuts feel routine. It fits virtually any standard miter slot, and once you dial it in, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's safety and precision rolled into one red anodized package. Number 2. Woodpeckers Route and Plane Benchtop Board Mill. If you make cutting boards, you know the golden rule. Never run an end-grain board through thickness planer. It's dangerous and can turn your project into a missile. The Route and Plane Benchtop Board Mill is the safe, brilliant alternative. This heavy-duty router sled clamps directly over your workpiece, accommodating boards up to 15 inches wide and 3 inches thick. You simply mount your router, adjust the cutting depth, and guide it across the surface. In just minutes, your uneven, glue-dried panel becomes perfectly flat and ready for final sanding. It works with any router, from tiny laminate trimmers to powerful 3-horsepower models. Whether you're flattening end-grain boards, glued-up panels, or tricky figured wood, this tool delivers a glass-smooth surface without the danger of kickback. It's precision surfacing made simple and safe. Number 3. Woodpeckers Stair Tread Template Tool. Stairs are every carpenter's nightmare. Walls are never square, stringers are rarely consistent, and you usually end up cutting 3 treads before one actually fits. The Woodpeckers Stair Tread Template Tool eliminates that frustration entirely. This heavy-duty steel gauge expands from 20¼ inches up to 52 inches, capturing the exact width and angle of any opening. You simply place it in the space, extend the arms to touch both walls, lock it down, and transfer that perfect profile directly to your workpiece. It handles out-of-square walls effortlessly, making it ideal for treads, shelves, countertops, and built-ins. Built from durable steel for job site toughness, this tool turns a 45-minute fitting job into a 5-minute measurement. Fewer wasted boards, faster installs, and professional-looking results every single time. Number 4. Woodpeckers Auxiliary Rip Fence. Job site table saws are incredibly portable, but their short, stubby fences make cutting tall or awkward stock a real challenge. The Woodpeckers Auxiliary Rip Fence solves that problem instantly. This 36-inch extension slides right over your existing fence, giving you dual 7-inch material supports on both the infeed and outfeed sides. It mounts in seconds using precision machined clamping blocks. No drilling, no permanent modifications required. The 2-inch offset is brilliantly designed, so you simply add 2 inches to your scale reading and keep using your saw's original measurements. But here's the real game changer. 7 integrated T-slots let you attach featherboards, stops, or custom jigs for unmatched versatility. Whether you're on a job site or in a tight home shop, this American-made accessory transforms your compact saw into a precision ripping machine. Number 5. Woodpeckers Mortising Jig.
Loose tenon joinery is the gold standard for furniture making, but dedicated machines cost thousands of dollars. The Woodpeckers mortising jig turns your plunge router into a precision benchtop mortiser for a fraction of the cost. This rock-solid jig clamps your workpiece securely, while adjustable travel stops in laser-engraved stainless steel scales guide your router to cut perfect, repeatable mortises every single time. You can cut mortises up to 3.5 inches long, accommodating standard guide bushings or custom tenon stock. It's a brilliant alternative to expensive domino joinery systems. Whether you're building chairs, tables, cabinets, or frame and panel doors, this jig delivers dead-accurate alignment and high repeatability, making it ideal for one-person shops and small-batch production runs.
Number 6. Woodpeckers Mini Combination Square. Sometimes your full-size combination square is just too bulky for the job at hand. The Woodpeckers Mini Combination Square is the perfect pocket-sized solution for tight joinery and quick shop setups. This compact tool comes with 2 interchangeable blades, a 1/4 inch wide blade that slips into narrow dovetail sockets and mortises, and a 1/2 inch blade graduated in both inches and millimeters for daily layout work and machinery adjustments. It checks square and 45-degree angles instantly, making it ideal for joinery fitting and quick measurements. The set even includes a wall-mountable racket, so your tool stays visible, organized, and always within reach. It's small enough to keep in your apron, but precise enough to trust on your finest furniture work. Number 7. Woodpeckers Stealth Stop Miter Sled. Building your own crosscut sled is a rite of passage for woodworkers, but let's be honest, it's a hassle and they rarely stay square. The Woodpeckers Stealth Stop Miter Sled delivers unparalleled accuracy right out of the box. Its unique miter bar features leaf springs that adapt to worn or poorly sized miter slots, ensuring a snug, wobble-free fit on any table saw. All adjustments are made from above the table, so fine-tuning is effortless. The compact 15-inch by 15-inch Baltic birch plywood base features a low-friction laminate for silky smooth crosscuts. The retractable flip stops are always ready when you need them, and the built-in protractor has positive stops for 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 12-sided objects. A tapered index pin eliminates wiggle room for perfect centering, cut after cut. Number 8. Woodpeckers Steady Curve 2.0. Cutting curves on a bandsaw is usually a nerve-wracking game of follow the line, hoping you don't wander off course. The Woodpeckers Steady Curve 2.0 takes the guesswork out of pattern cutting entirely. This ingenious template guide attaches to your cast iron bandsaw table with a powerful magnetic base that locks instantly with a single lever. The adjustable blade offset lets you set the template follower to hold the blade a controlled distance off your pattern, from practically 0 up to 1/4 inch. That means you cut just outside your line, leaving a whisper-thin margin for perfect router cleanup. It comes with followers for 1/8 and 1/4 inch blades, with optional followers available for 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch blades. Faster, safer, and incredibly accurate curve cutting is finally here. Number 9. Woodpeckers Table Saw Gauge and Alignment Tool. A table saw is only as accurate as its alignment, and even a fraction of a degree off can ruin your project. The Woodpeckers Table Saw Gauge and Alignment Tool makes precision setup faster and easier than ever before. This ingenious gauge automatically adjusts to the width of your miter slot using a simple pin system. Just set the cradle pin onto the 2 small pins in the slot and you're ready to go. The included dial indicator features 1 inch of travel with 1/1000th of an inch graduations, plus a rotation counter and adjustable bezel for precise readings. Use it to align your blade parallel to the miter slot or to check your rip fence for perfect squareness. When you're done, the fitted storage case keeps everything safe and organized. Number 10. Woodpeckers Calzilla Precision Caliper Head Attachment. Standard calipers are great, but they max out at around 6 inches. What do you do when you need to measure a 46-inch wide cabinet or the distance between two holes on a massive tabletop? You reach for the Woodpeckers Calzilla. This brilliant attachment turns any Woodpecker's woodworking rule into a giant precision caliper. The fixed jaw mounts using existing threaded holes held to incredibly tight tolerances, perfectly locating the 0 point. The sliding jaw rides on ultra-smooth UHMW glide strips with a Delron lock that secures firmly without damaging the rule. It includes hole center attachments for measuring distances between two holes, making it perfect for furniture assembly and hardware placement. When you're done, the wall-mounted racket keeps everything organized and ready for your next oversized project.